Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can delete Instagram account permanently. So without further ado, let's begin. So now, go to your profile page. And then, go to menu page. Now right here on menu page, just tap on settings and privacy. And then right here you can see this search bar. Just type or enter deletion. And then you'll see deactivation or deletion. Just tap on that. And then now we need to select the account that we want to delete. It will then direct you to this page where you have two options, to deactivate your account or to delete your account. So you have to remember that deleting your account is permanent. If you want to temporarily delete your account, just go to deactivate your account. But if you want to permanently delete your account, just go to this option, delete account. And then after that, just tap on continue. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.